Okay, so I came on here simply to say, why didn't anybody tell me that Amazon was the wig plug? So I had a brand reach out to me from Amazon about their wig, and I'm like, okay, well, I'll give it a try. So this is what they sent me. So I'm going to give you a little bit of details on this wig, just in case you're like me and you think, Amazon, do I want to buy a wig on Amazon? But this one is giving. I will just say that it was easy to curl. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So the brand is called Makati, and I will be sure to put all the information below so that you're able to just click and get to the wig. So this is their lace front wig, human hair, 20 inches straight, 4x4 lace closure wig. I don't know why they put that sentence. I'm not gonna read that sentence. And it says it's 150% density, pre-plucked with baby hair and natural color. So I did get it in 20 inches. This is what it looks like online on Amazon. Hopefully you can see that. And yeah, so I will go through a little bit of what I did to the wig. So it did say that it was pre-plucked, and I will say when it came in, it did have some little baby hairs in the front. So the very first thing that I did was I bleached the knots. I did not record any of that because that was my first time bleaching the knots, and I didn't know how it was gonna go. But it wasn't bad. If you guys want, if anybody wants, I can give you the information of what I used to bleach the knots. So I bleached the knots. That was pretty seamless, and then I washed it with the purple shampoo to get the orangey color out. So all that went as, you know, everyone said it would on YouTube. Yeah. So that went how everyone said it would on YouTube, so no problems there. So then after I did that, I proceeded to pluck it some more. So it needed some help. The knots were pretty dark, and it still needed some help in the scalp area. Now, you guys, I am not an expert in laying down the lace, but I do want to get a little bit closer so you can see how it looks in the front and the hairline. So I did some more plucking. I wet the front and I did some plucking, and I used my Got To Be spray to kind of keep just pulling it back to make it flat. So I did that a lot. I plucked more than I thought I should be plucking. I plucked I stopped, I plucked, and finally I was like, let me just put this wig on. And then the second part that I did to put it on is I did the ball cap method. Now, that was my first time. Well, I think I have attempted to do a ball cap method, but this is probably my first time with it being really successful. So I did the ball cap method, and I sewed down the back of the wig cap. But honestly, looking back, I don't think you have to do the ball cap method. I don't think that was necessary, but I do think it was helpful for me because my hairline is really low and I don't have much of a forehead, so it helped to actually protect my edges, and you can't see my edges. So it was worth it for that, but I don't think it's necessary if you're someone who doesn't have that issue with your hairline. So I did that. I'm just trying to make sure I cover all the bases for you guys. So I did that, and then I plucked the baby hairs. After I did the ball cap method, I put it on, and I used the Even adhesive spray to get it down. Actually, let me go get that so you can this spray to lay it down. So I sprayed it, and then I took the blow dryer after I sprayed it just to get it tacky. Then I put the hair over where I sprayed it and then blow dried it a little bit more. The method you see everyone do, and it actually works, and it's not moving. I'm not gonna try to lift it, but it's in place. Like, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, that was pretty much it. After that, since I did pluck the knots and I did shampoo it, I ended up getting the hair pretty wet. So I did have to, like, I passed the blow dry through it, but it wasn't even really necessary. Then I just went in with my flat iron and it went right back straight. Like, no problems getting it straight. it hasn't been doing a lot of shedding. Like, I absolutely love it. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. The cap is comfortable on my head. I just honestly have no complaints, and I'm just sitting here like, why wasn't I getting a wig from Amazon before now? So I'm really happy that they reached out to me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the review for the wig. I'll let you guys get a little bit of a look at it on the sides, and then how it looks in the back. Hopefully it don't look crazy in the back, because I honestly didn't look at the back before I turned around. But yeah, I'm sure it's fine. I didn't have any trouble curling it, like I said. So let me know if you guys have any questions about the wig. Yeah, and anything about the process of putting it on, because I mean, it wasn't like it was hard, but I will say that it was time consuming. But my understanding of all this is that, you know, once I did all that work, then the next time I put it on, I won't have to do all that. Oh, and then I also did minimal plucking in the hairline. The hairline was decent. And then I did go in and put some concealer in the hairline just to match. And then I did put a little bit of skin tone powder right here in the front, and I forgot to do that before I laid down the baby hairs. Oh, I forgot to say that too. I'm forgetting everything. But I also did cut some baby hairs in the front more than what they had. I couldn't find theirs after I finished plucking, so I just made my own baby hairs. And yeah, then I put some concealer in the hairline to make it seamless, and I absolutely love the finished product. So yeah, that is it. You guys let me know if you want me to review any more wigs on Amazon, or yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and remember, good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is your better, and your better is the best. And I will see you guys next time.
So all you lucky ones, what up?